I'd like this video to serve as a warning to anyone who would like to go into content creating. This video is a tragedy, and it's a tragedy that can be avoided. Please, watch the video so that you can understand what I mean. I'll explain more at the end.
We have James playing
thick.
as Nick, or as in my view, Ghost Rider.
Or John Wick, in my
You got Nicholas playing as Pickles Cage, otherwise known as Rochelle.
I have it as a...
Oh god,
I need to turn on my game volume.
and you got Leonard playing as Coach, Chef Coach. In this timeline, he went to culinary school.
I got Detective Coach.
Detective Coach. I love how most of the Coach ones are just I haven't played this game in so long.
I have all dinosaurs.
I need a melee.
That's right. That's what I have as my primary. It's literally a pistol.
Literally, I haven't played this game in too long.
Oh, my game
Why
crashed.
am I at like negative
What?
health?
What do you mean your game crashed?
It just crashed. I was trying to save Sludler, and then my game crashed.
Loodler.
Leonard.
Loodler, more like Loodler.
Loodler. Get it? Because he's illegal. He's a crime.
Time to pay more than a dime.
It's a crime to pay more than a dime.
Why does the game get more messed up every single time I start it up?
I don't know, and I don't care. I haven't played this game in way too long.
I have not
I
either.
haven't either.
I am the only one who's played this all the way through on expert out of us, and it's not good for me. I've forgotten how to play.
We're not playing an expert right now, so it's
I know, but I've just also forgotten how to play.
Oh look, there's the charger. My buttons got used to back for blood buttons. No, what have I done? That's a spitter. How my buttons got used to back for blood when I played that game once. Oh.
Oh, there's a tank.
Oh god, I alt-tabbed. Oh no, I crashed.
My game crashed.
Bro.
I think it might be the...
Everyone's game crashed except for Leonard.
My game...
Everyone's game crashed?
Yeah.
It's fine, we can just restart. I'm gonna switch my infected.
Can I? Oh god, I can't see Task Manager. Hang on. My game's it's like completely
Starting
broken.
narrator.
No, shut up.
Exiting narrator.
Crashed. Did it just freeze?
No, there's the here. I had to open up another window to do this. That's fun. We get rid of. I don't.
I think it's...
Oh.
might just be the,
All I did was try to play the game. Hey, well, what would it be if the game didn't crash? Would this truly be a Left 4 Dead video? Yeah, but
Nope.
it wouldn't be one of my videos.
There you have it. All because of one crash, the game was cropped wrong. 50 minutes of recording have been completely destroyed, just like my hopes and dreams for this video. Always double check your OBS recording so that this doesn't happen to you. Don't let one crash ruin your video.